Hey everyone, it's Priscilla from Prisca Art Henna, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple henna flower. If you want to see more henna tutorials, please subscribe and comment below what you'd like to see next. Alright, so to begin, there are two ways you can start off making your flower. I'm going to show you both ways. So the first way is you can start making a circle from the outside like so, and then spiraling in, and having a dot in the center, pushing a little bit on your cone. The second way is the way that I do it. I push my cone to create a dot, and then I spiral around that dot to form the circle. You can start off either way, whichever way is more comfortable for you. All right, so let's get into it. So we're gonna do our flower right here. So I'm gonna start off the way that I start off, pushing to form a dot, and then spiraling around that dot to create the circle. This is the center of our flower. And after I do that, I'm going to create some nice simple humps or bumps. Starting off very slowly. This is something you're going to end up practicing a lot, and the more you practice, the faster you may be able to go. A lot of it is muscle memory. But I'm going to go very slow just for this tutorial. As you can see, nice simple bumps. And don't forget, you don't have to rush. Go as slow as you need to. And with practice, your bumps will become more uniform, and they'll have the same height and same kind of width. All right, now that we've created our bumps, I want my flower to have 8 petals. You can have as many as you would like. But when I want my flower to have an even amount of petals, I kind of create guiding lines. North, south, east, west. If I wanted 4, that'd be perfect. If I want 8, I'm going to cut this in half. And this will help me to keep my petals the same size. When you're creating your petals, you want the top to be a bit more thick than the sides. And to achieve this, you want to just push lightly as you're doing the side of your petal. Push your cone very, very lightly. When you get to the top, you want to push harder. And this will give you more thickness. And then, again, push very, very lightly. We're going to do it again. So very lightly, and then push harder, and then release. And continue doing this technique all the way around. And having different line thicknesses helps add depth to your henna. I feel like it really helps with the composition of your work. So once again, push very lightly, and then harder, and then release. And once again, don't forget, you can go as slow as you need to. You will gain more speed the more you practice and the more you have muscle memory with these different kind of designs. All right, so now we're going to add shading to our flower. There's different ways you can do shading with your henna designs, but the most popular way that I do it is I just very, very lightly press on my cone, like very super lightly or like barely at all, and I just pull from the bumps outward. You can go fast, you can go slow, but if you're new, don't forget to go slow. Just make sure that it's perfect. Well, not perfect, but nice looking. Nothing is ever perfect. And when you do shading, it makes a lighter version of the final stain, so you have more depth in your design as well. So different line thicknesses and shading can help, both of those can help add depth to your henna art. Another shading technique you can do, you have a petal, you can also pull from the top down. It's also another popular shading technique. But I like doing it this way. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please comment below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.